Hey guys, looking at Enduro Engineering. Here I'm going to show you how to install the skid plate on the 250 and 350 4-strokes from Husqvarna, KTM, and GasGas. Okay, so the first step is going to be taking the roll of foam that's in the kit. What you're going to want to do is put a strip of foam anywhere that the skid plate is going to come in contact with the frame. So measure it out. You can go ahead and just rip it, or you can take some scissors and cut it, and then just stick it, like I said, anywhere that the frame's going to touch the skid plate. Put a little buffer in there between the skid plate and the frame. Alright, so I got the foam on both the frame rails here as well as the back frame rail. And I'm just going to take the skid plate. There's already mounting tabs on these frames here. So you got two up front, one down below. You're just going to match those up with your skid plate. Take one of the 6x16 hex head bolts and then put one of the washers on it. Each one of these mounting locations you'll use the washer. Alright, so I've got the front two started, but I've left them loose. That way you can line up this rear one. So again, you got the washer on the bolt. Just take an 8mm, feed it up through that hole, and then thread it into that tab on the frame. Now you can go through that, you've got them all started, take that 8mm and tighten each one of them up. So the only last thing you got for this skid plate is adding one of our linkage guards that bolts right up onto the skid plate. If you have any questions, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit EnduroEng.com.